How to link your EA account to PSN or Xbox. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, you want to open up a web browser and go to ea.com, then click on the profile icon. Now from here, you want to click on account settings. Now from here, find the Xbox option and then you want to click on the link option. Now you're going to find a pop-up box asking you to let this app access your info. So you simply want to click on the accept button over here. Once you do, the next step is to link your EA account to Xbox. So you simply want to click on the link accounts option for confirmation. Once you click on this option, you have successfully linked your Xbox account with your EA account, and that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.